Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, February 2nd. I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the pound dollar, I'm still very bullish on these higher time frames. I still think this is going to end up making a nice five-wave uptrend. I still believe that it is going to go up and take out these previous highs. I would expect it to go up probably all the way to about the 161% Fibonacci extension of wave one, projected off what I believe to be a wave two. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, I still think that this is a wave three already. I think that we have a one. I think we have a running flat wave two. I think that we are very likely already in that wave three, and on these higher time frames, especially like the weekly, I think it will continue to make higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and just keep on trending up for that big wave three to form that pattern I was showing on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily. Now, we definitely do have a little bit of an ABC correction going on right here. I mean, it really does look like that is the end of a correction. And it does look like it is trying to continue the uptrend. And I really hope that it is going to continue the uptrend because if it is, then I will definitely be looking for longs for probably at least another next several weeks to maybe even next several months because that's pretty much going to confirm this is a wave three. Now, we have non-farm payroll coming out today. If it holds above this structure nicely, then that's what's going to turn me into the buyer for the next few weeks. If it actually rejects this structure and today non-farm payroll makes it go down, then that's pretty much going to tell me that we are still in a correction. And at that point, I think it'll probably tell me that it's probably going to go down and take out these lows. So I think non-farm payroll today is going to be a critical point for us to confirm whether we really are in a wave three or whether we really are still in this correction and that it's more likely it will go down and take out the low of wave four. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, we definitely do have some structure breaks, and it is holding above structure pretty well. Like I said, today's news is going to be critical because if it goes down very hard at the news and takes out structure to the downside, I'm going to call that a rejection of structure, and I would probably go short because at that point I think it would confirm that we are still in a correction on the daily time frame. On the other hand, if it does break up and if it does hold above these structures, then in the coming days and especially the coming weeks, I will definitely be looking for longs at the end of pullbacks, probably for the long term over the next few weeks and maybe even the next few months. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, it does have that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 look to me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I kind of feel like it's pretty likely today's news is going to cause this to go down. And honestly, if it does this right here, I would go short again because I really don't see any proof. Like I said, it's really not holding above structure yet. So I don't really see any proof that we are back into the uptrend as of yet. But non-farm payroll would be a good time for that proof to occur. So if it does keep on going up, if it does hold above structure today, then next week I will definitely continue to look for longs at the end of pullbacks. If it makes a rejection of structure today and goes down and breaks structure to the downside, then I will continue to be a seller like I have been primarily for the last few weeks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.